Hare Krishna. Can we offer anything to Krishna? No. We cannot give Lord Krishna anything material since he is the Lord of Vaikuntha, the Lord of Goloka, and the Lord of all creation. He has everything a person could ever want. But now for the lovely part. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Shri Krishna says, Patram puspam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhakti uparitam asnami prayatatmana. That means he promises that he will take even the smallest offering of love and devotion, such as a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or just a little water. Therefore, it is not what we contribute that matters, but rather the love and devotion with which we do so. Do you recall the tale of Duryodhana, who offered Rajbhoga to Shri Krishna? The food was so opulent, but Shri Krishna, without taking a moment, refused to accept it. Vidur and Vidurani, on the other hand, gave banana peels to Krishna out of love and devotion, and he graciously accepted them. Therefore, what does Lord Krishna really want? Not magnificent temples, brilliant jewelry, or tastiest feast. He wants our affection and loyalty. What genuinely catches his heart is how much we desire for him. Hare Krishna.